Welcome back to Zuluba Consultants. In this video, we want to answer this question that reads, how many grams of calcium chloride with this molar mass are contained in 250 milliliter of a 0.2 m solution of calcium chloride? Now, to answer this question, they are asking the grams, which is the mass. We need to remember the link that is there when it comes to concentration, number of moles, and mass. So you can find the mass by, first of all, changing the concentration into number of moles. Thereafter, you change the number of moles into the mass. So for you to change the concentration into number of moles, we are saying you simply say concentration multiplied by the volume gives you the number of moles. Then for you to find the mass, we are saying the number of moles multiplied by the relative molecular mass, it gives you the mass there. Let us first find the number of moles using the concentration and the volume. So the formula is concentration is equal to number of moles divided by volume. So the concentration we have is 0.2 m. So 0.2 m, that's the concentration. We have the number of moles, that's what we want to find. The volume, we have been given that the volume is equal to 250 milliliters. Now, when you have been given the concentration with the unit m, you need to change this volume into liters. So how do you change this into liters? You simply say 250 divided by 1,000. So when you say 250 divided by 1,000, you get 0.25 liters. So this is the volume that we are going to use. So we'll put 0.25 liters there. So let's now find number of moles is equal to 0.2 multiplied by 0.25. So 0.2 multiplied by 0.25, it is giving us the number of moles of 0.05 moles. So these are the number of moles of calcium chloride that are in 2m of 250 milliliters. Now that we have the number of moles, we can calculate the mass by simply multiplying the number of moles with the relative molecular mass which we have been given here. So the formula we use is number of moles is equal to the mass divided by the relative molecular mass. So we can simply make the mass the subject of the formula by saying mass is equal to number of moles multiplied by the mixture there. So the number of moles, we have found the number of moles is 0.05 moles. And then the mixture we have been given, it is 110.98. If we were not given, we would have simply used the periodic table and get the atomic masses, then find the sum of the atomic masses to get the relative molecular mass. So in this case, we have been given, it is 110.98 grams per mole. So we are multiplying 0.05 and 110.09. We are getting the mass of 5.549 grams as the mass of calcium chloride there. So this is the mass of calcium chloride that we have calculated when you have been given these values. So hope you have followed. When you have been asked to calculate the mass, you have the concentration and the volume. The concentration and the volume, should help you to find the number of moles. When you have the number of moles multiplied by the relative molecular mass should give you the mass. Until next time, it is bye-bye.